Hello everyone, in today's video we're diving into the topic of how to save YouTube Shorts to a playlist, a super handy feature that many people don't realize is available. With YouTube Shorts gaining massive popularity as bite-sized content, saving them for later in playlists is a great way to organize and revisit your favorite clips. Whether you're on your phone or desktop, I'll walk you through the steps on both platforms, so stick around to the end. First, let's start with saving shorts on your mobile device. This process works the same whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. To begin, open the YouTube app on your phone. Scroll through your feed to find the short you want to save or search for a specific one. Once you're watching the short, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the video. When you tap the three dots icon, a list of options will pop up. From here, select Save to Playlist. After that, you'll be prompted to either select an existing playlist or create a new one. If you decide to create a new playlist, you can set its privacy to public, private, or unlisted based on your preferences. Once you've made your selection, tap Done and the short will be added to your playlist. Super easy, right? If you're using YouTube on your computer, saving shorts to playlists is just as simple. Start by going to youtube.com and signing in if you aren't already. Once you find the short you want to save, click on the short and look at the side of the video for the three dots button. Click on it and select Save to a Playlist. A menu will appear allowing you to choose an existing playlist or create a new one, just like on mobile. After selecting or creating your playlist, the short will be saved automatically. This feature works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop, so whether you're watching from your phone on the go or at home on your computer, your favorite shorts are just a click away. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.